Hello, this is a beautiful presentation. I love these colors, wonderful layout. This made me smile. But more than anything, I love that you redesigned the creative brief to look professional. I can tell that you really love graphic design. I mean, you didn't even have to do this. It's just wonderful. So, this looks really nice. I can tell you from a news background, this decorative pile of coins wouldn't have been something that we did because everything we did was factual. So if you do have numbers for this, it would be even nicer if you put like the 60 billion plus at the very top coin. But it is, it is a little bit more fun. So I think you can get away with it. But I mentioned this about the thigh. So if you look at where this line goes, I'm not sure physically, unless she had a real rounded derriere, that this anatomy wise would actually work. So I recommend taking this angle of her leg, pulling it in a little, and then taking the bottom part and pulling it down a little bit, and then it'll not catch your eye as much. Um, I really like this one too. But again, it would be nice to see this be a little more factual. I think you could do that. You could probably find their statistics, get a bar chart, take the last three numbers, replace the visuals with these coins, and then you could actually have real numbers in there. It's something to think about. It'll make it look even more factual. So these ads, seeing these all together, by far my favorite one is this tall one. It's a wonderful play on color and composition, and the compositional flow is perfection. So that made me think, well, if you were in a hurry, these horizontal ones would be fine. But if you were working for me, I would have you redraw the pinup so that her legs were included in the horizontal layout. And I think that's probably what you would come across if you were working for the company. So I would move her back a little bit and then maybe stretch out her legs, perhaps put a heel on the edge of the web address or something like that. Um, but that's again, it's above and beyond what you need to do in here. And I think you've done a fabulous job. Right. Have a good one.